What up guys, Homeless Investor here. Thought I'd make another video before I relax on this beautiful 4th of July Tuesday because it is Stock Pick Tuesday. And as you guys know, we are working down my TD Ameritrade list of the stock picks that I do own. So as a disclaimer, I do own shares of this company. So let's get right to it. The name of the company is General Cannabis Corp. The ticker is CANN. It's currently trading at $1.97. The 52-week high is $5.19 and the low is 68 cents. Now they have a market cap of 38.95 million and there are currently a little over 19 million shares outstanding. Now a little information about the company. That'd probably help, right? General Cannabis is a resource for the highest quality service providers to the regulated cannabis industry. They are a trusted partner to the cultivation, production, and retail side of the cannabis business. They do this through operating divisions such as real estate, consulting, security, finance, and the distribution of important infrastructure products to grow facilities and dispensaries. Now, the cool part about General Cannabis, at least in my opinion, is that they are a synergistic holding company, and that basically means that they work with other companies to create, to help each other, basically. So since they are a synergistic holding company, they are able to leverage the strengths of each other as well as a larger balance sheet in order to succeed. Basically, like two is greater than one kind of idea with that going on. They are greater as a whole than they are separate. So that's just a cool company I want to share with you guys on this Tuesday, 4th of July. And I also wanted to talk a little bit because I really want this channel to be of value to people. So I'm really trying to give, genuine things that I believe in or that I do instead of just vague advice. So if I kind of want to talk about it for people, because I helped somebody out today who had a good chunk of money and he wanted to invest, and he knew that I've been talking about Bitcoin and stuff like that, but I wouldn't only recommend cryptocurrency, you know what I mean? So let's just take an easy number like $10,000. If I had $10,000 to invest, what I would do personally, and this is just me, first off, I would split that 10,000 into two. So I would take 5 grand, and what I would do with that 5 grand is I would buy, and this is just based on that small amount, I would buy at least 1 ounce of gold, and then whatever's left after that, out of that 5 grand, I would buy the rest in silver. So that right there, half the 10 grand is into gold and silver right there. That's just the insurance. Yeah, that's just the insurance to make sure that the other half of this 10 grand, no matter what I do with it, I will at least have that 5,000 no matter what. It's safer than holding it cash. Now with the other 5 of this, I would probably buy at least 1 full Bitcoin, at least. Then I would throw, I don't know, probably a grand into stocks and just play around with a few speculative ones. I'm not gonna spat out names right now. I'm just throwing out the dollars, how I would kind of devise this. So at this point, we're about almost 4 grand in on the other 5. And so probably the other 5 after the crypto and the stocks, I would probably just hold in cash. Just to strictly buy up cheap things such as more crypto or stocks or Bitcoin as the price dips. So that's just a really general kind of portfolio allocations for somebody who's maybe new into investing or has money. That's just how I would do it. And we could get into more details if you guys wanted. That's just a really basic, just to kind of diversify a little bit and kind of get your hands on all spectrums a little bit with the gold, the silver, the crypto, the stocks. So yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Talk to you next time.